Vaya, here is a professional. I'm not even part of the government. In the month of November 2014, I was a private citizen. Somebody says they want to look at India. I may have a meeting with Reid Hoffman, who is the founder of LinkedIn, on the west coast of the United States. And I start my email by saying, I am now convinced more than ever that India today presents a terrific opportunity and that Reid Hoffman should visit India to see the changes which are coming. Or another thing I want to tell you, ये जो चीजें मैं बोल रहा हूं, डिजिटल इंडिया, मेक इन इंडिया, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस इन द मंथ ऑफ नवंबर 2014. If memory serves me right, these projects started in 2015. So here I was a far-sighted private citizen who knows what kind of work the Modi government is going to do and the kind of transformation is here. So if this is what it is, this is what they call Hardeep Puri's name appears in the Epstein files. Yeah, name. 2 pages. एक और बताऊं, this is even more interesting. They saw after a while that I had no interest in their kind of activities. So एक email है from Terry Rod Larson. By the way, Terry Rod Larson का मैं आपको बता दूं, he was not only the president of the IPI, but he was also the same person who had actually initiated the work on the Oslo Accords, जो Middle East में हुआ था. Let me also tell you, I'll read out the paragraph. Terry Rod Larson came to prominence as a key figure in the 1990s negotiations led to the Oslo Accords, the first ever agreements between Israel and the Palestine Liberation Organization, when he served as the director of the FOFO Institute. Arey bhai, at that stage, this is what he was doing. Now, all this I had sent in a note to Mr. Rahul Gandhi, hoping that he will understand, but periodically, Priyanka ji से, आपके मंत्री महोदय का भी नाम एप्स्टाइन फाइल्स में आया. अरे भाई, और पढ़ तो लो कहां पे फाइल आया है.